What's going on, everybody? Here we are, it's another week at the Home Theater Hobbyist, and this week we have an unboxing of a pair of bookshelf speakers from Dayton Audio. They're the MK402s, so let's get to it. So here they are, the Dayton Audio MK402 bookshelf speakers. It's a two-way speaker that has a 4-inch driver with a frequency response from 60 Hertz all the way to 20,000 Hertz. Now, one of the reasons why I wanted to get some bookshelf speakers is because I really like bookshelf speakers because they're so versatile. You can use them as your front left and right, your side surrounds, your rear surrounds, and I guess you could even mount them to your ceiling if you wanted to in an Atmos configuration. So there's a lot you can do with them, especially if you're starting out in home theater and you want to find some speakers that you can use in a lot of different situations. Now, I also purchased these because Dayton Audio actually distributes these all throughout the world. One of the things I mentioned in my previous video, or in one of my previous videos anyway, is that I wanted to find some speakers that could be shipped internationally. And apparently these can if you can find their distributor. So I'm really, really happy about that. But enough talking about the speakers, let's actually get to this unboxing. Now, the first thing I'll say about this box is it's actually not all that big. It is, see, about 10.5 inches tall, 16.5 inches wide, and 7.5 inches deep. So it's not very big. It's about 11 pounds, so it's got a little heft to it, and it's got 2 speakers in it. But let's open up this box and see what we got. Got my trusty box cutter back. I'm pretty happy about that. Or I got another one. I don't really know what happened to the other. Okay, so when you open the box, the first thing you see is the manual for these particular speakers, and it's just a short 2-pager. You open that up, and you instantly have foam here, so that's good, good packing foam. See, this is incredibly dense packing foam, which is nice. So that's the foam, really, really nice. And that's what it looks like in the box. Now they come, they're individually wrapped in plastic. Take this off. Ooh, it's not bad looking. Here's the speaker. The bottom looks like we have some rubber isolation pads. That's the side. This is the rear. This is the other side. And again, the front. And here's the other speaker. And that's all we have in the box. So there's not a whole lot in the box, other than the speakers and the instruction manual, or the user manual. Tells you about the front, the back, room placement, cabinet care, and power ratings, along with the warranty coverage that you get for it. So, cabinets sound pretty sturdy. Let's see if we can pull these grills off. Haha, we can. There's the grill. There's the other part of the grill that sticks in there. So it's not magnetic. It actually has little stakes in it, and that's where they stake there. That's my driver and your tweeter. So there you are, the Dayton Audio MK402s. I'm really looking forward to testing these in my room to find out how they sound. I hope they sound really, really good because they're also an inexpensive speaker, which is really good if you're starting out in your home theater. And we'd like to have an inexpensive offering that we can recommend through the channel. So I'm going to get these in, and I'm here. I guess you guys can hear me. I'm kind of messing around with the binding post here. And these seem pretty nice. These seem like some pretty nice binding posts. So I'm really, really looking forward to these, to trying these out in the room and seeing how they do, how they sound. So that's all we have for today. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. Consider supporting us at patreon.com/hometheaterhobby. Use that Amazon link in the description below, and we'll talk to you next time.